All right, when we're looking for the regression line here, we want to make sure that we have our diagnostics on. So the first thing I'll do in my TI calculator is I will go to second 0 to make sure my diagnostics is on. So if I go to second 0, it should take me to the catalog. So if you go down to where it says diagnostics on, and this is a one-time feature where you just have to make sure you just hit diagnostics on, hit enter, and this way it's going to make sure it gives you that R value, your R squared value, and all your values that you need. So we'll go ahead and put our data in. So I'll just put an example list of data in. So I'm going to hit stat and then number 1 for my data editor. So I'll just put a couple numbers in here. I'll just put a couple numbers in for the X list. And then I'll go over the Y list and I'll just put some other numbers. So really easy to find your regression line, because just the way we found correlation, we make sure we go to stat, we go to over to calc, and we go to linear regression AX plus B. And so this calculator will ask a couple questions. It asks what list the data are in. The older versions of the calculators do not ask this. It'll jump right to the answer. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the bottom and hit calculate. And what it shows here is it'll have the slope and the y-intercept of my line. So the A goes in front of the X and the B goes by itself. The A is the slope and the B is the y-intercept. It also gives you your correlation coefficient right here.